Hello children. Today our topic is atmosphere. The atmosphere depends upon the weather and climate. We identified the difference between climate and weather. What is climate? What is weather? The atmosphere, it is condition of the atmosphere at a particular place and a time. What is climate? It is condition of the atmosphere for a long time. The atmosphere is in short time, the climate is to reading of the long time. The atmosphere is changed from time to time and place to place. But the climate is fixed for long time. Example, Thar desert, it is climate. Himalayan climate. These are the two examples of the climate. Weather and climate. It denotes short period. It denotes long period. But what is the impact of the climate? The impact of the climate is different lifestyles, different food habits, and different vegetations. Here, one place to another place, those styles are also different of the people habits and also vegetation. These are. But factors. What are the climatical controls and what are the climatical factors? Factors we identified the distance from the sea. First one is the distance from the sea. Distance from the sea. Generally, distance from the sea, if we stay before the ocean, so the climate is also one type. Suppose we far away from the ocean, the climate is also different. The seawater in winter season is, the seawater of the winter season is warm. In the summer season, the seawater is the cold. So this is the difference. And the next one is the distance from the sea means it is a long time. Some other seasons it is the warm. Take another one. Here is only the latitude. Latitude. We know the latitudes, most important latitudes on the globe. The biggest latitude is 0 degrees, it is the equator. The above latitude is 23 1/2 degrees, it is the northern latitude, it is the 23 1/2 degrees, it is the southern latitude, it is the Tropic of Cancer, Tropic of Capricorn. And here it is the Arctic Circle and it is the Antarctic Circle. 66 1/2 degrees in north side latitude is Arctic Circle and it is 66 1/2 degrees in the southern side is known as the Antarctic Circle. We can identify the zones. Here, two sides of the equator. This is this zone. Two sides of the equator. This zone is also known as a torrid zone. Torrid zone. The Tropic of Cancer, in the Tropic of Capricorn, these two type of the climate is temperature zone. Temperature zone. Here the dotted symbols are also denotes It is only the freeze zone. Freeze zone. Three zones are there: torrid zone, temperature zone, and freeze zone. The climate is also different from one zone to another zone. One zone to another zone. Already here we can identify the tropic of zone is very hot. The temperature zone hardly. These zones are also very important to identification of the climates from one place to another change or one zone to another zone. Now we should take the winter season. The winter season is cold and hot. Two zones are there already, we know. The cold winds and the hot winds are also mixed at the points is known as a low. The winds are also known as a low. Low winds. These winds are also known as a low winds. Already we know the cold winds and hot winds are also mixing some places. That type of the winds are also known as a low winds. We can identify the seawater. Already we know the seawater longitudes. Longitude. Suppose this is these curve lines are only the just like imagination lines of the mountains. Every 1000 meters, 2 degrees of the temperature reduced. Here the temperature is also different at longitude lines. The latitude lines, the temperature is also variations, and seasons, variations of the temperatures, and here district from the sea. These are the main factors to identification of the climate. Thank you.